Thanks again for tuning in. One of the problems we have when renting our SCBAs out, or even say SCBAs that we've sold, is the cylinder band retention strap and the buckle. A lot of times, because it's plastic, this buckle will break. They get brittle, they get old, and they break. So we do send a lot of these spare cylinder band straps out to the fire academies, knowing that they're going to break, and a lot of times they call us not knowing how to remove and replace. And so this is just a quick video on how to remove the cylinder band strap assembly and to reassemble it. So here we go. It's best to get as much of the strap as you can so that you can feed it back through a little bit. This makes it a little bit easier. And take your screwdriver and just kind of fold that back and grab this ring here and pry it. And then you just basically feed that off and then push it back down and give it a pull, and you've removed that part of the strap. Now to remove the buckle, you basically take a screwdriver. You can see that there's an opening here, and there's also one on this side. So if you take and just twist this, that's going to remove it. So now let's show you how to put it back together. You basically take this part of it, feed it down through here. You're going to feed it back up through this slot, and you're going to pull through, making sure you've got enough of the webbing to work with. You're then going to take that end of the ring and you're going to push it through that part of the loop, and then you're going to do the same on the other side. That's what's going to secure it. You want to make sure if you have an integrated pass alarm that you have the cable inside of the loop when you put it together. Now you're just going to feed it back through. There we go. And now we're going to reinstall this. And basically, it's the same thing. You see the slot here, you're going to see the slot here. You basically take it, put it in on an angle, and click it into place. Turn it, click it shut, and then pull the band strap buckle tight. So, very simple replacement of the cylinder band strap assembly. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.